From All Star Case Breaks, we're doing 2015 Prizm Hobby Football for David. Okay. No, happy to. Never have enough Prizm greatness, right? Teddy Bridgewater for the first card. Ryan Blue, not numbered. Earl Campbell. Mike Wallace out of 150. Funchess Red Rookie. Odell Beckham Jr. Fireworks. That's a good definition of Odell Beckham Jr. Fireworks. Air Marshal Luck. Calvin Johnson. Oh, nice. Good pick on the box. Tom Brady. 50 of 50. Purple Prizm. Congratulations, man. His parallels sell well. Macklin Silver. Josh Robinson. That is a red 61 of 299 autograph. Jared Main Silver Rookie. Mari Cooper Rookie. Brady Base. Ryan Green. $120 of $199. Man, what a pick on the box. Chris Conley, Sammy Coates, double jersey, double auto. Aguilar and Shelton rookies. Jordan Taylor silver. Kenny Bell. Tom Brady green Prizm. And you better take your wife out to dinner, though. I guess you can't do that now. But
you can take her out and then sit in the parking lot.
Drive-through romance in the parking lot with Kevin. I better rephrase that.
Yeah,
That didn't sound quite right.
Yeah, I'm good.
I won't say it's Kevin's idea of romance.
No, it is not. Can you believe that? Kershaw? No.
Ty Montgomery, Vic Beasley. Yeah, I rephrased that very incorrectly. My apologies to Kevin and anybody.